SmartDraw supports single sign-on through SAML, or you can use SmartDraw's own user administration to manage users. Even if you use single sign-on, you can add or delete individual users or use SmartDraw's administration features to transfer documents. Start by selecting the SmartDraw User Management option from your license page. With a SmartDraw site license, you have control over who may sign up for the online edition under your license. You can choose unrestricted, restricted to email domain, or invite only. In unrestricted mode, any user who has possession of your site license key can use this license, including users outside of your organization. In restricted to email domain mode, only users with an email address in one of the domains you specify will be able to use this license. In invite-only mode, only users that you as the license administrator specifically add to this license will be able to use it. Note that there are some site licenses that may be automatically restricted to a specific domain at the time of purchase, and you will only see options to add or remove users. If you need to add a new user to your license, click the Add Users button. You may add one or more users by entering their names and email addresses into the box in the dialog. Enter one user per line. If you created or enabled built-in groups previously, you can designate what group the new user belongs to in this dialog as well. Note that you cannot add users that are already on another SmartDraw license. They must first change the email address on their old account or remove it from the old license. Optionally, you can choose SmartDraw to send an invitation email to the user or users you added. If you need to delete a user, select them on the list of users and click the Remove User button. If the user has documents on their account, you'll be prompted to figure out what to do with those documents. You can choose to transfer them to another user on your license. If the user doesn't have any documents, you'll just have to confirm you want to delete them from your account to open up a seat. Disabling a user temporarily frees up a seat on your license. Because the user is not fully deleted, you can easily re-enable them at any point in the future. A disabled user will show up with a black line through their name on your user list. You can enable any disabled user by selecting them and clicking the Enable User button. If a user has documents, you can transfer them to another user before you delete or disable their account. You can easily update a user's name or email address at any time. To do so, select the user and click the Edit User button and update the user's name or email address.